What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We are here with another video, aka another banger. We are here to discussing basically leaks, news, so on and so forth. And I was checking my little feed of news on my phone that I pretty much get every day, and this article caught my attention. And I like to, unpack a couple things because I have my opinion about it. It's basically talking about the Apple Watch Ultra 2 release date and price, and possibly seeing new sensors and new colors. And I have a take on that. But before we dive into that, if you're new to the channel and you're gonna appreciate any of this content, or even if you want to wait until the end of the video and you appreciate the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, make sure you hit that like button. Again, if you appreciate the content, it's definitely appreciated. I appreciate it. I love you guys. Let's just hop right into it. We're on YouTube right now. We're here on Mr. Matt Talks Tech. Shout out to him. I guess he was the news feed that popped up in my phone, but I thought his information on this was very interesting. So I'm gonna play this video real quick.
See the new Apple Watch Ultra 2 featuring new colors for the first time.
All right, I'm gonna pause it really quick. I won't do this too much, I promise. Oh wait, actually I think there's another color they're gonna show.
All the details about.
All right, 5 colors right here. Do I think, and I'll just answer this question right off bat, do I think Apple is going to release 5 new color variations for the Apple Watch Ultra? Short answer, no. I highly doubt it. And if they do anything with the colors, the only thing I foresee them doing is adding one more color, because for these reasons. If you look at this screen, look at the orange one. That's pretty much the one that's out now. The orange action button, that's the only color right there. And then because I have an Apple Watch Ultra on right now, so I'm speaking from experience. The crown, the scrollable crown, it only has an orange ring around it. So when it comes to color, those are the only things that have color per se on them. So for them to make different variations of the Apple Watch, or at least for different colors for the action button and that crown, doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to have all these variations and produce all these watches with these different colors in hopes that people pick their favorite color, being that the color is so minute, so small on the Apple Watch Ultra. So it doesn't really make sense to make, more colors, but that's just me. I think the orange is great. It's flary enough, but it's subtle. And then again, also, as you can see in this render, and these are just renders, the color, the main part of it is these Apple Watch bands, which is great. It's cool. It emphasizes more on that action button and the crown, but the bands, you can pretty much buy any color that you want right now. So that's not a real selling point. So if you have an Apple Watch Ultra now, to buy another one because it just might be your favorite color, doesn't make any sense. So I wouldn't recommend doing that if that was the case and Apple did use that as a marketing strategy. Like, hey, look, we have more colors and we're gonna put the color band on it that matches with the action button. I don't think that's a good idea to buy those. But if you want to buy it, go for it. But $800 just to get a different color action button, I'll skip out on that one. But let's continue.
Also go over the Apple Watch Ultra 2 release date and price with specs as well. Anyway, as we start 2023, we could be seeing a new Apple Watch Ultra 2 coming at the end of summer that may have some changes over the original Apple Watch Ultra that came out in 2022. So
a note on that. Do I think there will be a new variation of the Apple Watch Ultra this year? Apple Watch Ultra 2 maybe, or SE, whatever they want to call it. Yeah, I do think they're going to upgrade something. Usually every year Apple's historically shown that they will upgrade the chips and whatever device it may be, maybe the MacBooks or the Apple TV or the iPhone or the Apple Watch themselves. They usually update the chips, better processing power, so on and so forth. So it can be faster, smoother, so on, and all that stuff. Also, one thing I think they actually will upgrade is the features that the Apple Watch Ultra offers. It already offers a wide range of features, definitely for those people who utilize those outdoor functions of the watch. I think they'll just expand on that, fine tune those, and really push the limits of what this watch can do. But as far as a whole new iteration of it, I don't think that's going to happen. Again, the main colors on the watch are the action button and this rotatable crown. Everything else is this, I think it's titanium. I'm pretty sure it's titanium. And then sapphire on the top. So it's pretty much mute. You can wear it with anything. So as far as them emphasizing on color, if they did that, I think it would really just be a marketing thing. But the main things I think they're going to focus on is a faster chip and features that the actual watch can do. As far as the aesthetics of it, if the actual size will change, that's all dependent on if they improve the battery to make the Apple Watch last longer. I think when they originally revealed it, it was slotted to last about 2.5 days. So if they found a way to expand that and make it last a little bit longer, if they need to upgrade the battery, I can see some of the dimensions of the Apple Watch changing because they have to fit that bigger battery in, and they might have to change the aspect ratio of the device to, complement that battery. So if you have any change, it will probably be that, and maybe they change the bezels a little bit, but I highly doubt they will do that because this was a hit when it came out, and it's still, going. I see a lot of people with this thing now, even though it costs $800. I see a lot of people with it. All right, so as you can see, they're just showing like the bands and stuff. Will they offer new bands? Yeah, I'm pretty sure they'll offer some new ones, just some kind of innovative one to kind of catch people's attention. But that's we all know Apple. Let's not act like this is uncharted territory for Apple. Apple knows how to roll out a product, and when they roll it out, and this is kudos to them, they fine tune. They make sure it is good. It works well, it functions well, good support for it. So I don't think there's going to be any major jump. So if you're expecting that, don't expect it. What I think you can count on, I would say there's a 99.99999% that Apple will definitely, add new features to the Apple Watch. There's a 99.9999% chance that Apple will upgrade the chip in the watch. There's a 99.9999% chance that the watch will have a better battery, slightly, maybe get an extra hour or two. And also, there's a 99.9999% chance that there will be new watch bands that they will introduce. But outside of that, that's when the percentages go low. New colorways, I'm at about a 20% chance that that's going to happen. Different aesthetic to the actual watch as far as the build, the actual look of it. I'm at about a 10% chance that they're going to actually change the look of it. Outside of, if they make a bigger battery, them having to make the actual watch bigger. I'm at about a 10%. And other than that, there won't be much change. So don't get you guys hopes up. I hope that this video was helpful to you guys to kind of get a realistic perspective of what to expect when we get to those fall months and of 2023 and this Apple Watch Ultra 2, if a 2 is even slotted to be released. Who knows? Apple might pull a fast one and just skip a year as far as producing a new or labeling it the Apple Watch Ultra 2. They might just skip a year. We never know. But just some insight of what you guys can expect and what to look for. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Again, if this information was anywhat helpful to you guys and you want to stay up to date with leaks, news, reports, gaming stuff, whatever the case is, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you just like my bubbly personality, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.